What is going on, guys? RNG back at you with another video. We got Rainey here with me.
What is up, guys?
Today we have box number 7 of 2017 Topps Chrome UFC. In this box you get 24 packs, or 4 cards per pack. We're looking for 2 autographs and all kinds of cool colors. Ready ripping this, Rainey?
Yeah. Let's pick a Connor Geo card. No, it won't be yet, huh?
Yeah, not yet. Maybe we can get a court card, maybe.
Yeah.
Let's get one that's in super fractor form, right?
Maybe not like a Smolka or
Yeah, a Smolka.
Celeste or something. That'd be our luck.
Yeah, we might get a. What if we pull the Smolka super fractor now?
I wouldn't be surprised. I'll cherish it.
Yeah, slightly disappointed. All right, I got John Lineker to start off with. Michelle Waterson Museum Collection. Oh, that's cool.
That's cool.
Jose Aldo Tier 1 Refractor, numbered to 99.
That's real cool.
And Paige Van Zandt. That's the way to start, right?
Yep.
Frank Mir, Holly Holm, Lyoto Machida Refractor, and Stipe. Mickey Gall, Stipe Tier 1.
Oh,
There he is, Smolka rookie card.
Killing it.
And Lyoto Machida. Lyoto Machida base hot box. Rose. Got Daniel Cormier, top of the class. Got Kelvin Gastelum, X-Fractor.
We're getting a lot of those.
I know.
That guy.
I know, right? Maybe he's a super fractor. No. Stephen Thompson, Cyborg, Chuck Liddell, Chrome, and Tashia Torres.
I like how the fence looks on those chromes on the back.
Oh yeah, because like
cool.
it's all lit up
Yeah.
looking. Yeah, that is cool. Anderson Silva, Chuck Liddell fired up.
That's sick.
That is a nice card. Johnny Case, Derek Brunson. Kat Zingano, Cub Swanson, TJ Dillashaw Museum Collection insert, and Donald Cerrone. We got God, I don't know. What, this guy. God, that's chromed out. I don't know why it's just shiny more. Joseph Benavidez. Do we have auto? No, but Johnny Hendricks. Is that orange?
Yep.
Orange to 25. Johnny Hendricks. Really cool.
Yeah.
And Jose Aldo. Get Carolina rookie card. Anderson Silva, Carlos Condit, and Tom Breeze rookie card. Not much happened in that pack. Liz Carmouche, Paige Van Zandt, top of the class. Got a green. Random Marcos green, numbered to 99. And Cody Garbrandt. Francis, Cody Garbrandt refractor.
Cool.
Max Holloway on card auto.
That's a good one.
And Frankie Edgar.
That's pretty solid.
One auto out of the way. That's pretty good. A pretty good one at that.
Yeah.
Sergio Pettis, Demetrius Johnson fired up. Man, God, I love these cards. Chuck Liddell, Anthony Johnson. Sage Northcutt, Amanda Nunez Museum Collection. Joanna
That's cool.
Refractor, top of the class, numbered to 99. It's pretty slick. Demetrius Johnson. Jimmy Rivera, Tony Ferguson, Frankie Edgar, refractor, and Kelvin Costello. Ariane Celeste, Cody Garbrandt, Tier 1, Luke Rockhold, and Junior Dos Santos. Okay, Joanna, Ronda Rousey, top of the class. Raphael, Blue Wave,
Cool.
numbered to 75. I wonder why they just did the blue with the wave.
I don't know. I thought that too.
I mean, it looks cool, don't get me wrong. And Andrew Sanchez, just kind of weird. Like, you figured like they would do some of the longer or the lower numbered, like the black, like have it like something special. Yoel Romero, Johnny Hendricks, Matt Hughes refractor, and Dustin Poirier. Or I don't.
Yeah, that's it.
Thiago Alves, Frankie Edgar fired up, Jessica Andrade, and Raphael.
Yeah.
Raphael. I don't know why I tried to even pronounce that last name. Alexa Grasso, Matt Hughes Museum Collection.
Oh, there we go.
We got a Rose Gold.
Rose gold.
Rose Gold, numbered to 50. It's a slick card. And Daniel Cormier. So we're down to 5 packs. I think
still one auto?
Still looking for an auto, yeah. Pretty sure. Wilson Reyes. Could be this pack right here. Fabricio Verdun. Bigfoot Silva. Numbered to 99 green. It's weird that those refractors are just a little thicker stock. I don't know if I can catch it on camera.
Yeah.
Probably not, but just a little thicker. And Miesha Tate. I don't guess it's weird. It's just different.
Yeah.
Different than what we're used to with Panini, I guess. Eddie Alvarez. Matt Hughes Tier 1. Yair Rodriguez. And Dominique Cruz. Michelle Waterson. Claudia Gadelha. Demetrius Johnson, top of the class insert, and George St. Pierre.
Mine a super refractor of a Mighty Mouse. Demetrius.
I know. It'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Ronda Rousey. Tyron Woodley, fired up insert. Thomas Almeida, and Fabricio Verdun, and
In theory.
yeah. It's the In Theory pack here. Should be an auto. Tyron Woodley, Paige Van Zant, refractor.
Yes.
Lee Smolka, green.
We will have the rainbow this game.
Numbered to 99. Gonna be a star.
He better be.
And Nick Diaz.
I mean, look at that auto. That's got started.
Yeah, that is. Well, that does it for the video, guys. Well, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe. As always, we'll be coming at you more videos very soon. So until next time, y'all keep ripping.